Okay, this is another quick demo. The Pro-135, in this case, scanner does 25 megahertz to 54 megahertz, 108 megahertz to 174, and then 380 to 512. So it's your pretty standard VHF low, VHF high aircraft band, and UHF receiver. It does receive the CB band, the 25 to 28 megahertz band, and the full 10 meter amateur band. There are a lot of receivers that only do like 29 to 54 versus 25 to 54. So it's kind of a neat little feature of this particular radio. It also is a triple conversion superhet design versus most of the other kind of entry-level receivers would be double conversion, which is makes it susceptible to standby. Makes them a lot more susceptible to intermod and extremely strong and channel signals. This is a triple conversion. So this is actually a pretty good, you could say, target. Source. This is going to be one of those coaster call paging transmitters on 467.750. It's low power. They're 2 watts, street level, and yeah. Just to kind of give an idea of what kind of range or not you're going to expect. Hold on a second here. Police activity. Alright, so this is just going to be a multi-part video here. And this is connected to the Hustler UGM uniform golf mic. It's a magnetic mount antenna with the RG174 coax. Cut this in a moment here, and then we'll record part 2 in just a few minutes. But yeah, thanks for watching for now.